Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and today I am going to do a review on, this is my second video on the series of 3 doing the review on Beauty Big Bang's latest stamping plates that they sent me. Today we're going to take a closer look at plates XL-063, 64, 65, and 66. Okay, so now 2 of these I have already, 64 and 66. Yes, I've already removed the film off of them because I've used them, and I will show you photos of the 2 designs that I did using both of those plates. Today I will show you 2 new designs using these first 2 plates here. So taking a closer look at 063, actually this is the one that I used. It was 63 and 64 are the 2 that I've already used. As you can tell, I've already removed the film. Here's a pretty sleeve pocket, as you can always expect from Beauty Big Bang. They always have the protective backing on the back. So 63, XL-063, is very organic. You have some of these images that resemble, let me bring you closer. So some of these images resemble water marble, like you can tell from this one. But then you also have something, to me this kind of looks like maybe some tree bark, maybe. And then we have some animal print, like this could be tiger stripes or zebra stripes, depending what color you put in the backdrop. But pretty cool. So, and then this is like water. And now let me bring this one up. Can't wait to try this. You see the woman's face there? Isn't that pretty cool? And yeah, so I already used this image. Okay, now let's taking a closer look at XL-064. So this one could be a spring plate or fall, because you have flowers, you have birdies here in a nest inside a tree. So cute. We have flowers, we have trees, we have leaves, and there's some in here. So this one right here, you have some maple leaves right there. I don't know if you can catch it, but yeah, there's some maple leaves here made with those leaves. So this one could go spring or fall. Then we have, 65. Oh my gosh, the peacock, so gorgeous. I can't wait. So I want to do a Mardi Gras design and using this plate, and that's what I'm going to show you today. But I might have to give it more of that Mardi Gras feel, I might have to incorporate images from a different plate, something else. Okay, so that's 065, and then last but not least 066. So this one has the Dreamcatcher feathers, absolutely gorgeous. And if you want to go more into the southwestern style. So let's go ahead and start with the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here are all the images that I did. I did 4 images from each plate. Each one stamped really, really well. I really like this, the tree and then the leaves falling. Super, super cute. And oh my gosh, I managed to pick up as much of that peacock as possible. And yeah, if the difference in the colors, this is a black stamping polish that I used. Actually, not a stamping polish, but I stamped this with black Funky Fingers. And then this I used a navy blue polish that I didn't want to use up all of my black. And I managed to pick up a lot of these 2 images right here from the Dreamcatcher. Absolutely beautiful images. Very good pick up there with the on areas where there were very fine lines. So yeah, I'm very pleased. Oh gosh, I love this image here too. All right, now let's move on to the tutorial. Okay guys, so here is the final result. What do you guys think? It turned out to be a very subtle, not too much on your face type of Mardi Gras design. I use when I managed to use all of Beauty Big Bang products. There were metallic polishes and a couple of their other stamping plates, along with this one of the new ones, XL-065, for that Mardi Gras design. I love the peacock feathers. So yeah, let me know what you guys think below of this style. I mean, I kept with the traditional colors of the Mardi Gras colors, but maybe, yeah, a little bit more subtle. It might seem kind of pastel, but they're metallics with, you know, it's metallic on top of metallic, other than the stamping polish, the green and the purple, but then the gold is the metallic, obviously. So that is all I have for you guys. Remember that I will have the links to everything down in the description bar below, as well as my code. Remember, you can get 10% discount with my code NAQ57. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful plates to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.